Good evening, teacher, and hello everyone. Good evening, Rifa.
Good evening, Darao.
How was your day?
My day is good, and you?
I'm fine too. Good evening, Rifa. Do you want walk or run to school tomorrow?
Let's walk. I want to eat my snack and drink water on the way.
I need to read a book and write a lesson today.
After that, we can sit on the chair and speak English together.
Perfect. I am so tired. I want to stand up straight and then go home to sleep.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, everyone.